this video let us learn how to add part mark, assembly mark, and element mark. To add a part mark, under Mark section, select the part mark option from the drop-down, then select the shape, and the placing position, to complete the action. Next, to add an assembly mark, select the assembly mark option, then select a shape, and a placing position to complete the action. Select the element mark option from the marks drop-down, select a shape, and the placing position to complete. Finally, you can align the marks using text align option. You can also rotate, copy and move the marks as per your requirements.